This is something you can't underline enough. The cost of maintenance is something that younger people maybe need to hear. It's something that needs to be in your planning, the cost of maintenance in everything you do, because it's not like you achieve a goal. Okay, we're talking about penetration testing tools. It's not like you will write an awesome tool and that's it. It will need to be maintained. If you have published something on GitHub, it means you will have to respond to issues, pull requests. A pull request could be code review, and it will all take time. You will have to test it. Also, testing is really painful. Something that I didn't do enough for many tools I published, and they were buggy. Okay, I guess buggy code is in the process. Yeah, but the cost of maintenance is really, really important. Something you should consider before you get into something big, a big project. Because we're not talking about scripts. A script of 1,000 or 2,000 lines of code or something like that is something that the penetration tester would do almost every day, probably. You will write scripts to test something real quick. I'm not talking about projects like this. I'm talking about something that you are really passionate, you want to make it huge, you want to have a tons of functionality and build a community around it or something like that.